Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I'll show you how you can reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I do want to mention something. You can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. But I do want to warn you, if you're going to be going through this with this kind of purpose in mind, usually what this will also mean is that your device will become FRP locked. And it happens because when you're doing this kind of reset to remove a screen lock through a recovery mode, it locks the device, and it locks it using two different methods, assuming that two different methods exist. One, if you're doing this, obviously exists, which will be the screen lock, but just the screen lock will not lock the device after the reset. It also needs to have a Google account. So if you go into your settings and go into passwords and accounts, and you have a Google account right here. This is actually a Google account. As you can see, I can actually add one, but there isn't one present. So if you have one added, no, I don't care. I wasn't actually launching you. You can sign out of it, obviously. If you can't because you don't know your screen lock, the account that is signed in right here will become one of the verification methods after the reset. And you will need to do it if you have both screen lock and Google account. If you only have screen lock, it actually won't lock the device. So it's just going to remove a screen lock, and you can set it up. You don't need to worry about anything associated with verification. But if there is a Google account, you will. So anyway, to get started, you will want to turn off your device, and you can do so by pressing power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up your boot options, and then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power button and volume down, and this will navigate us to the bootloader. Should be visible right about now. There we go. So once you have this open, you can let go of these two buttons, and then using volume down, scroll to have the recovery mode visible right here. If you pass it, don't worry, you can also use volume up to go back to it. And once it's selected, press power button to confirm it. Next, you will see the Android with no command written under it. So to get past this, because we do need to, you're going to hold power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up once. And this takes us to the recovery mode. In here, just like before, we're going to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, depending on which one you press. And with that in mind, you want to scroll down and select wipe data, factory reset. Now all the options are actually visible on my end. If I bring it closer, let me just kind of maybe first wipe down the screen. There you go. So if I bring it up closer, okay, it's barely visible. Nope, not this way. There we go. You can see these options right now a bit clearer. I am gonna lower down the exposure as it is a little bit too much right now. There we go. So just know that these are all visible normally when looking on the device. But once you have the wipe data factory reset selected, press power button to confirm it, then select factory data reset the same way. And at the bottom, it will tell you that it's formatting data, and then it's going to tell you data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so we can press power button to confirm it. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Because it is continuing the reset, it might take the device about a minute, maybe two, to finish it up. Once it's completed, we then should have our setup screen visible. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.